Talky Talk English.
Hello,
Hi.
how are you?
Fine, thanks. How are you?
Good, thanks. What time did you wake up yesterday?
I woke up at 7 o'clock a.m.
Did you brush your teeth in the morning?
Yes, I brushed my teeth right after waking up.
Did you take a shower?
Yes, I took a quick shower.
What did you eat for breakfast?
I ate eggs and toast.
Did you drink tea or coffee?
I drank a cup of coffee.
Did you get dressed quickly?
No, I took my time getting ready.
What clothes did you wear?
I wore jeans and a t-shirt.
Did you check your phone after waking up?
Yes, I checked my messages and emails.
Who did you talk to first in the morning?
I talked to my mom.
Did you feel tired in the morning?
Yes, I felt very sleepy. Did you go to work yesterday?
Yes, I went to work.
How did you get there?
I drove my car.
What time did you start work?
I started at 9 a.m.
Did you have many meetings?
Yes, I had 2 meetings.
What did you do first?
I answered emails.
Did you talk to your boss?
Yes, I talked to him.
What did you eat for lunch?
I ate a sandwich.
Did you work long hours?
No, I worked normal hours.
When did you finish work?
I finished at 5 p.m.
Did you feel tired?
Yes, I felt a little tired. What did you do after work?
I went to the gym.
Did you exercise?
Yes, I exercised for an hour.
Did you go grocery shopping?
No, I didn't go shopping.
Who did you meet?
I met a friend.
Did you walk home?
Yes, I walked home.
What time did you arrive home?
I arrived at 6:30 p.m.
Did you rest?
Yes, I rested for a bit.
Did you read a book?
No, I watched TV.
What show did you watch?
I watched a comedy.
Did you enjoy it?
Yes, I enjoyed it a lot. Did you do your homework?
Yes, I did my homework.
Did you ask your parents for help?
No, I did it myself.
Did you write with a pen or pencil?
I wrote with a pencil.
Did you read your book?
Yes, I read it.
Did you finish all your homework?
Yes, I finished it.
Did you use a dictionary?
Yes, I used it.
Did you search the internet?
Yes, I searched for help.
Did you study for an exam?
Yes, I studied hard.
Did you review your lessons?
Yes, I reviewed them.
Did you feel tired after studying?
Yes, I felt very tired. Did you help your mom?
Yes, I helped her in the kitchen.
Did you clean your room?
Yes, I cleaned it.
Did you wash your hands?
Yes, I washed them.
Did you set the table?
Yes, I set the table.
Did you eat dinner with your family?
Yes, we ate together.
Did you enjoy your dinner?
Yes, it was delicious.
Did you drink juice or water?
I drank juice.
Did you wash the dishes?
No, my sister did.
Did you talk with your parents?
Yes, we talked a lot.
Did you laugh during dinner?
Yes, we laughed a lot. Did you take a shower at night?
Yes, I took a shower.
Did you change into pajamas?
Yes, I changed my clothes.
Did you brush your teeth before bed?
Yes, I brushed them.
Did you turn off the lights?
Yes, I turned them off.
Did you set an alarm?
Yes, I set my alarm.
Did you set an alarm?
Yes, I set my alarm.
Did you read before bed?
No, I didn't read.
Did you use your phone in bed?
Yes, I used it a little.
Did you feel sleepy?
Yes, I felt sleepy.
Did you sleep early?
No, I slept late.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept very well.
Talky Talk English.